Now, if anybody knows about soap, it's you, Miss General Hospital Bobby Spencer.
Yes, indeed I do. But even the best soap or soap star needs the best possible water.
True. Whether it's for drinking, cooking, or washing, clean, clear water is everything. Picture perfect is one way to describe Melanie and Andre Manning's family life with their 3 children. But when it came to their water supply, the picture wasn't quite what it should be. Whether it was used for laundry, baths, drinking, or cooking, it seemed their water had too much of what they didn't want and not enough of what they needed.
We moved here because my husband retired from the Navy and we had an opportunity to go anywhere we wanted in the United States. We decided to take a chance and come to South Florida.
Taking a chance on a new home in a new state is exciting, but taking chances with water quality is never a good bet.
Since we moved to Florida, we have had a little bit of issues with the water in our skin. We already suffer from eczema.
I was concerned about the water because I started seeing different skin irritations on my children and with my wife. And the taste of the water, my children were complaining about it, so it definitely brought a concern to, what kind of water are we receiving here? So we met with Culligan, and it was an eye-opening experience. Definitely brought to light some things that I didn't know were in our water, as far as the lead quality and just what we were receiving.
Found out that just like other people that live in the area, they have a high hardness and they have high chlorine in their water. So they actually came out with a 9.5 grains per gallon of hardness, and they had 1.5 parts per million of chlorine in their water. So we like to offer a solution for you where you're actually getting a very small water treatment plant under your sink, where you're actually getting the best quality available. And we recommend a Culligan's high efficiency water softener. It'll reduce your electricity and the amount of water that you're consuming based on what you currently do. It's probably a good thing. So it's very seamless and easy, and it's something that I think your family would enjoy for everything that you do.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Culligan solutions are founded on the fact that not only do we need quality water for drinking and cooking, but our skin drinks too. To rectify the Manning's family situation, Culligan installed an under-the-sink water filtration unit that gives the green light to better water at a touch of a button with AquaClear reverse osmosis technology, as well as a high-efficiency water softener and a whole-house water treatment system.
That's going to solve their problem for hardness, for spotting on their dishes, remove the chlorine for the itchy, dry skin, and also give them unlimited drinking water.
It looks like everything is pretty self-maintained, which is a great thing for a mom. One less thing that I have to worry about and do. So Billy was an awesome rep. I couldn't have worked with anyone better.
What I enjoy most about installing systems and working with families is seeing the before and after. So you have a family who didn't know they had issues and seeing their lifestyle change.
Here's to better water for drinking, washing, bathing, and family fun.
I love seeing that family so relieved and happy with their new water filtration system.
Yes, and it really made a difference for all of them. Up next, we're showing you how another young family put their home at the head of the class. Stay with us, more fun and fabulous stories ahead.